GoMath has lots of helpful teacher tutorials already built for you. If you log into your GoMath portal, on the very far left you'll find an icon with a graduation cap and a globe that says Getting Started with GoMath. This is applicable to any grade level. They will give you some videos to go through. You can use the over arrows on the side to go through some of the different resources that they have here. You can create your own notes within here. You can turn the audio on and off, and then over on the far left is where you'll find the contents. So in the contents, this will let you go further into different aspects of lesson design, planning and pacing, assessment differentiation, platform basics, conclusion, the student experience, and the program overview. So this first one will take you through the welcome, but you can definitely click through any of these and it will take you further through the modules of information.